Hey, ninth grade, this is Miss Stapp. I've received a lot of questions about missing parts of your assignment. So you may have received an email yesterday and certain things were missing. It might have been your vocabulary.com, it might have been your claim support statement, it might have been your poem was missing a portion. So I'm going to go over that now and try to help you understand why you may have received that missing. If it was a vocabulary.com assignment, please go in now and do that. You have on Wednesday, and Wednesday is today, it's the 8th, until 4 o'clock to get that finished. I will accept it even though it's a little bit late. So besides that, and I have pulled up the plans for you, and you should be able to see that on your screen. Step 2 threw some people because you didn't read maybe all of the instructions. You were supposed to, again, turn in that claim support question worksheet updated with the new chapter information. But you were also supposed to look at 2 videos on debatable claims. And then this is the really important part because we are starting our dialectical journal entry. You needed to write a claim statement based on your claim from that worksheet. So there are 3 parts to a claim, and you may have thought you put your claim on that worksheet or on another document, but you probably didn't. If you received a missing, you probably didn't put it in the right format. And the format should be like this. The responsible agent, this is the character probably that you are discussing. You need to use the word should. This has to be in your claim statement, and it signals that this is your opinion, even though you're using evidence from the text to support. And finally, that action you would like the responsible agent to take. So I have an example here that might help clarify, help you understand this format that we're looking for. It's a formula, really. So you've read Macbeth. In this case, Macbeth, he would be the responsible agent, should give up his quest for the kingdom. That's the opinion statement. Did you hear that should? He should give up his quest for the kingdom. And the action is, and not kill Duncan. So your claim statement you'll just plug it into the following formula and upload it to me. When you upload it, please designate that PDF as claim statement so I know that I'm seeing something new. I don't like to do a search and find. You should really clearly label all the PDFs or images that you upload for me. All right, the next thing we need to look at is the poem. Almost all of you turned in a poem for me for these COVID Chronicles. If you didn't, here are the instructions here. You can see I've highlighted a part that several of you were missing, and that is pick at least 2 types of figurative language, including simile, metaphor, hyperbole, personification, or symbol. And then you were to list the line numbers. So if you didn't indicate those, that you use that figurative language and tell me what line numbers you used, just go back and do that. Re-upload it. Again, I would say make sure that Ms. Stapp or Ms. Hintershire know what this is. So you would put a poem with figurative language or something to let me quickly and easily go so I don't accidentally miss that you have included this. Okay, I hope that answers all of your questions. If you have more, please just drop me an email and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Again, we've given you an extra day since that email went out yesterday to complete all of this, and the deadline is 4 o'clock on Wednesday the 8th, which is today. So I look forward to going back and finding that you've uploaded everything, and in the future, be careful that you read all of the instructions. I know there's a lot. On my end, I will try to be more simple and really bullet those instructions so you can clearly identify what you need to turn in. So I hope you're having a good week, and I'll talk to you soon, class.